Welcome back to my channel. You can't see my face today because my hair is not done. I gotta get to that next. So you're gonna have to hear me as if this is a voiceover, okay? So I already started Sanai's hair, and I kind of wanted to finish the rest on video because I just thought it was gonna be cute, and I was like, dang, I should have started from the beginning. But y'all know I be doing her hair. Ain't no fraudulence over here. Turn, turn, turn. So this is gonna be an updo all the way around. Go ahead. So we almost done. Almost done. I have just the front to get to, and after we do the front, you can see how I close it off. I just wanted to share this little hairstyle with y'all. It's gonna be a real quick video. So how's everybody's Friday? It's a beautiful Friday. It wasn't that bad outside. It was kind of cold, but it wasn't that bad. How was your Friday, bub?
Good.
What'd you do?
I played on the playground and then I went back to my class.
You played on the computer?
No. Well, when in Centrons I played on the computer and then we had recess, so we got to play outside.
Put your head up forward. Okay, good. And then I also know you had a spelling bee test, right?
Uh-huh. But my teacher didn't give me that.
She didn't give it to you?
No.
Why?
I don't know.
So you didn't take your test?
I did, but she forgot to give it to us.
How you take it if she forgot to give it to you?
Huh?
How did you take your test?
I took the test, but she took it. Like she was collecting the paper.
Oh, she forgot to give it back to you?
Yeah.
Wow. So how do you think you did on it?
Good.
You sure about that?
Yes.
You positive?
Yes.
Okay. Well, I hope you did good. I really, really do. Okay, so the whole head is done. Turn, tonight. We have the back. Go ahead, turn. We have those three to the side. Show the front. She don't never want her head out the camera. Lord, turn. Okay, so because I have this side and this side are the same, and because I have decorative colors on this side, this is going to be the color of what she's wearing, so that's why I put those colors there. Any other color will be good. Silver, clear, black, whatever. So I'm going to do the same thing I did on this side. This has 4, and I'm going to do these 4 with the beads. The way I got them on is very simple. You're going to take one. The ends don't always have to be done. All you have to do is twist them real quick. Make it skinny. Take the bead. Pull it through. Boop. See? And you get it all the way down to the middle. Same with this one. This piece is already skinny, so the bead will slide right on. This piece is skinny, so the bead should slide right on. Good. And then we're gonna take this one. Now mine are gonna be 2 different sides because this one has 3 and this one has 4. You know what? I'll put one on this one. I didn't really want to use this one, but it's okay. So I greased her scalp down. I put the grease in between. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, so we're going to take the hair, put it into a ponytail. Put your head down. Nice. It's supposed to be an updo, right? So we're going to make sure that it's up and tight. Tight, tight, tight. Okay. And then, boom. into a pony. Now this is where I do my thing. If you want to leave your child's hair just like that, that's fine. It would be just like that, which is still cute. Turn all the way around. But I'm actually going to add, because we're going to a function. So I have 2 weaves, 2 braided hairs, and it's only for the function. After that, it's coming out. And what I do is I take the bobby pin and I slide it through, because these are crochet braided pieces. So I slide it through. All 3 of them. Just like that. I take this and I slide this around. Boop. Just to make it a nice thick looking cute style, and keep just wrapping it around. Boop. One more time. Boop. Okay. Okay. And then we're just gonna wrap it all the way around till you can tuck the last piece under. And then I'm gonna take my rubber band and secure it so that it doesn't come loose. And I also take a bobby pin and just tuck it where the ending was. And there you have it. So ready? Put your head down. Around and around. And there she is, beautiful as ever. So, okay y'all, so this is it. I actually ended up taking one of them out because, yeah, I took one out because she's good with just 2. She's already small. So yeah, I had to take one out so it'd be a little lower. But anyway, this is it. This is gorgeous. I think it looks really, 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 really good. I have to do them edges. And yeah, just for protection, I'm going to take this out because like I showed you, it's only a bobby pin. So all you gotta do is just put the pin in, wrap it around real quick, and get you a rubber band. And that's cute. It just adds a little style to the hair. It still looks real natural and everything like that. But I'm gonna take this out when I wrap her hair up. That way she doesn't have to sleep with this and it doesn't have to become unraveled. But that's about it, guys. So what do we say, Sanai?
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. My positive note, as always, no 2 people are alike. That's plain as you can see. God created you to be you, and He created me to be me. So make sure that every time you do your thing, you do it
your way.
Your way or no way. And we're out. Say hit it.
Hit it.
Right now, want that right now. Downtown, need me right now. Drop top.